There's this age-old saying that if we don't have a vision for our own lives, then we're forever going to be helping someone else to fulfill the vision that they have for theirs. And you know, unfortunately, this is very, very true. When it comes to understanding stress, it's absolutely crucial that we realise that stress is a single and a non-specific reaction that we feel within our physical bodies to the demands that we will either place upon ourselves or that other people will try to place upon us. But it's always going to be one of the two. There's a fascinating idea that we're going to be unpacking and exploring later on in the course, and this is that although we have absolutely no control over the things that happen to us in life, we do have complete control over how it is that we choose to either respond or react to those very same things. 100% of the time, which means that we're always in complete control of how it is that we choose to behave, react, or respond to the things that happen to us in life. So this is just a little taster to get us going, but before we start getting into the meat and bones of the course, I just want to take a few minutes here to help you orientate your way around. Because throughout the lessons that follow, there's going to be a few ways that I'm going to encourage you to make the most of this online e-learning experience. In the additional materials section of the course, which you'll find next to where you're watching this video, you're going to find an MP3 audio version of each lecture, which you can download and do with as you will. You can listen to again on your smartphone, your iPod, your iPhone, your iPad, or whatever. I've also created a batch of what I'm hoping you're going to find to be really cool workbooks, worksheets, exercises, and ebooks that you can also download, print off, and work your way through, so that you really can get the most from this course. And in the additional materials section of this lecture, you're going to find a course learning log journal that looks something like this. And this is around about 15 to 20 pages that I've designed for you, which is just broken down into sections. A section for each video lecture, where you can scribble down any notes, any thoughts, any ideas, or any aha moments that you get, of which I'm hoping by the time we've finished the course, you're going to have had quite a few. But other than this, I really do hope that you find value in this course, as from the next video onwards, we're going to start unpacking and exploring exactly what stress is, where it comes from, and how we can begin to start taking practical steps towards overcoming it for good.